numero natin.
Oo, mas lamang pa ang JRU sa atake pero merong 2 blocks. Ito yung 2 kumbaga most
Yan.
important blocks nung third set
Oo,
natin,
no?
di ba? And I think ibigay din natin ito kay what's her name, kay isa sa mga defender na nagbigay ng chance para sa San Sebastian makakuha ng mga malalakas na palo ni Deala, which is si Deposoy.
Deposoy, yeah. So, JRU trying to force a 5th set. San Sebastian trying to duplicate what they did against JRU in their first encounter, which is a 4-set win.
And pansin ko lang, Martin, itong JRU never silang nakalamang sa first part ng every set. Pero I think siguro pag nakalamang sila sa first part ng start ng set, feeling ko ibang kwento na.
Ken Lazarte working hard. Ramos. And Ramos connects.
Ramos.
2-0 start for JRU.
Yeah.
But we just had to check on Abraham, who landed awkwardly right in front of us. Good first ball by Klein. Good dig by Nicole. Ramos will try. Sent back. They go back to her. Cross court this time. Lazarte was ready. Deposoy. Ando naman si Alonia. Back row hit.
Wow.
Both teams showing splendid floor defense, and it is still alive.
Oops. Ayaw nang patagalin ni Coach Roger. Yeah.
Floor touch
Floor
dun
touch.
sa dig ni
There's
Alonia.
a mid-play challenge called by San Sebastian. The
Pero grabe na
challenge
yung mga
is
palitan nila.
floor
Yeah.
Simula first set, second set, third set, and fourth set. Kung hindi tatawag ng challenge si Coach Roger, feeling ko mas mahaba pa yung rally.
Correct. Kasi nasa, peak na tayo ng laro nila. Kung kanina, first 3 sets natin, mahaba na yung mga exchange. Lalo pa natin expectin ngayon.
Ito.
Medyo kuha na nila yung laro nila.
Most especially sa kupunan ng JRU, ito na yung sense of urgency kasi kailangan na nilang makuha tong set na to para mag-extend tayo to 5th set.
Again, first 3 sets, hindi natin nakita. Umabante ng maaga ang JRU. Lagi sila yung naghahabol. In order to tie the match, they might need a faster start. Para lang hindi sila kabado at may kasiguraduhan para sa kanila. So we'll see.
And magbibigay yun ng magandang huge difference kapag sila yung nag-start nitong game, nitong 4th set, Martin.
San Sebastian, on the other hand, you cannot slam on the brakes right now. You gotta keep going. You cannot allow JRU to force a 5th set, a free-for-all na 5th set.
Kasi yung momentum, no? Medyo shift yan pagdating ng 5th set. Kumbaga, yung feeling na dapat natapos na natin ng 4th set, but nakuha pa nila.
Ayun, magkabatch yan. Jonicio Santos. Ayan, their final year with San Sebastian. Was there a floor touch, though? Woo!
Ganda ng pagkakaanak.
Wow! Yan, Alonia.
Ganda ng pagkakaanak.
You know what this
On review,
replay
there was
showed?
no floor touch.
Just
Challenge by San
showed
Sebastian
Alonia's
was unsuccessful.
libero skills.
And actually medyo
These
ano
Knights
to,
have
medyo
one remaining challenge
medyo
for the set.
painful siguro at some point for the players, especially kung ang ganda na ang ganda ng flow and then na-cut for challenge and then unsuccessful, di ba?
Yeah, that's right.
Case-to-case basis, syempre. Nag-CR si Coach Roger
Oh,
pagbalik
hindi niya nakita. Coach, unsuccessful, unfortunately, Coach.
For JRU,
So, malinis yung pagkakadig ni Alonia.
-1 ka muna, Coach, sa challenge.
Sana lang natitira. Deposoy. Uy, Yonko.
That's out for
Point on the
Yonko.
cross court.
Point for the Lady Stacks.
Too long for Yonko.
First point for San Sebastian.
Unang puntos para sa Baste. Pero great start para sa JRU dahil from time to time, simula first set, laging lamang itong San Sebastian.
Pero Ramos,
Wow.
you know, this is her time to
For the Lady
shine.
Bombers.
She is on her average, 17 points already. Pero dito sa fourth set, parang kailangan niyang mag-take over.
Alam mo, I'm not sure kasi pansin ko kay Gonzalez and Ayala. Pag si Gonzalez ang pumupokpok sa atake, siya lang talaga. And then pag si Ayala, siya naman ang pumupokpok.
Correct.
Magpapalitan sila, hindi ko alam kung nag-uusap silang dalawa.
Kasi
Down the line.
as we see that point coming from De Pusoy, ganun din yung diskarte nito ni Navarre. Pag mainit yung isa, hanggang mamaya ka. Bibigyan kita.
Kahit isang buong set sa'yo, basta mainit ka ngayon.
De Pusoy was able to find a spot. She has 6 points off the bench. Here's the jump serve, perfectly executed. Kring Batara rings the bell from the middle.
Wow.
Batara.
Great first ball, good set and great timing para kay Batara.
Yan yung na-miss ng JRU nung third set na nakita natin nung pangalawang set.
Tama. Yung medyo nagkulang, no?
Juna, her powerful hit was dug. Here's Marasigan. Blockers were established. Balik sila kay Tina. Andun pa rin yung blockers.
Ito may challenge sa opponent
Off
ng
the block,
JRU.
Tina
Ang
Marasigan.
tawag ng ating line judge ay outside, pero based sa mga
There's a
nakita ng
challenge
mga
of the ball
blockers,
by JRU.
itong
The
JRU
challenge
ay
is ball
talagang
in, ball out.
I mean, hindi ko alam kung outside siya, kung talagang outside ba or inside.
Yung nagtataas po ng board para sa JRU, itong si De La Cuesta. Ayan, former player of the JRU Lady Bombers. Nasa
Alam
lineup
mo,
yun dati.
Yung si coach, nakatabi ni...
Sinong coach? Coach Mia.
Yung
Coach
katabi ni
Larry.
si Coach Larry ay isa sa mga kabatch ko sa NCAA. Yan, oo.
Di ba?
And,
Coach Larry Sioko.
ay napakabait na player.
And also coaches the men's team. Di ba? This is Giliero. By the way, maganda yung pinakita kanina ni Giliero nung pumasok siya.
Especially kay De Pusoy.
Pusoy. Kuha niya yung makaset na gusto ni De Pusoy. So, tingnan natin. Ball in, ball out, na bumalik yung bola.
Medyo matagal na diskusyonan po. Ball in, ball out. Pero in fairness, Martin, yung mga challenges na ginagamit ng mga coaches, usually ball in play. Hindi siya yung konti lang, ilan lang yung mga na-check, na ganyan. Minsan, yun nga, yung floor touch ba, di ba? Yun yung mga
nga, usually. Pero ito,
inside na siguro.
kasi na niya,
Inside. Inside.
Upon review, the ball went in.
Wow!
So the challenge by
Good challenge.
Ang galing ng mata ni Yoko, actually.
Galing. So, kill block yan para sa JRU.
+1 for
Kasi pag block niya,
the Lady
tinuro niya agad,
Bombers.
coach. Inside.
6-2.
Apat ang abante ng JRU. Their fastest start to a set. This whole match, Abraham able to score.
Wine Abraham.
So, Klein Abraham finding success right here.
Sayang, no? Kasi medyo mataas yung bola eh. Yun yung manageable na deflect ng bola sa mga blockers na pwede mong kunin.
3-6. Woo! Wrong approach for Yonko.
The short for
Yup,
Yonko.
Medyo nagkakaroon ng konting struggles itong si Yoko.
Substitution
Natin
for
fourth set, kaya naman
Number 12 out. Number 7,
papalitan muna siya ni Swammer.
So, 4-6 tayo. San Sebastian. Maagang kapit. Deyala!
Si Diala yung player
Grabe.
na hindi mo pwedeng bigyan ng isang
For the
blocker.
Lady Bombers.
But she really knows what she's doing.
Again, she has been all power today. She has one off speed, but
Isa pa lang.
the rest has been solid hits. Uy!
Good ball.
Buhay pa. Lazarte. Over to Marasigan here. Ramos was ready. They go back to Nicole. Here comes Baste. Tina.
Oops.
Magkaiba.
It's out for
Yeah.
Yung
Manasina.
sinabi ng mga linesman natin.
Pati ako nalito na din.
Bihira yun, ha?
Well, actually, ang pinakahatol kasi nandoon sa isang line judge kung
Ah.
saan tumawag siya ng outside.
Mas malapit sa kanya,
Yeah.
no?
And
Okay,
we're
8 to
having our
4.
first technical
JRU
timeout.
for the first time in the match is first to the technical timeout. First to 8 points. Pagbalik natin, mapapakinggan natin ang report ni Bianca Tagarda.
Mga kapuso, you're still watching the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament here at the San Andres Sports Complex. Nag-almusal ba kayo? Daiglo pa kasi yung nalipasan ng gutom. That's what Coach Roger Gorayat tells his players na hindi pa rin daw maintindihan ang mga adjustments na pinopoint out niya mula kanina pa. Tuwing lumalamang daw kasi sila ay tila nanghihina na rin agad. Nakausap ko nga si Kat Santos na nagsilbi munang assistant coach ni Coach Roger for this game at sabi niya malungkot daw siya seeing her teammates struggle without her pero hindi naman daw dapat makahila pababa ang kanyang absence on this game. Complacency, ayan pa rin daw ang sakit na hindi mawala-wala sa kanyang mga teammates since their first matchup with JRU pero may tiwala siya that they can get past the speed bumps that limits them. Martin and Jonathan.
San Sebastian
Thank you, Bianca.
is
Thank you, oh.
Abraham.
Akala ko kami yung tinatanong mo kung nag-almusal kami. Parang nakita naman kami sa prodroom na kumakain kanina.
Napaisip tuloy ako.
Ako rin eh.
Kumain ba ako?
Ngayon ba ako? Okay. Yeah, pero, you know, that's
Wow.
been the main challenge for San Sebastian. Aside from complacency is just maintaining their composure, especially in the middle part of the set.
And
So-
oo, tama. Yung adjustment kasi, Martin, yun yung nawawala sa kanila eh. Di ba? Pag, tama yung sinasabi ni Coach, pag dumidikit sa inyo, ba't parang hihina kayo? The more na dumidikit sa iyo, the more na nag-iisip kayo.
Pero John Vic, mag-iba kaya yung kwento kapag ito, katulad nito, first time na nangyayari na maaga silang naghahabol.
Well, siguro, ito na yung challenge sa kanila. Doon makikita ni Coach kung ano bang gusto nyo, lamang kayo o kayo yung umahabol.
Yan.
Dalawa lang naman yan eh.
Eto, Gonzalez, Carabot takes the pipe hit. Lazarte,
Oops! Okay.
one-handed save, but
Takes the court.
you know, it was too far gone. Immediately, Coach Roger,
Alam mo, kanina niya pa inuulit-ulit yun. Bakit kinukuha mo na isang kamay?
yeah,
Ang ganda ng mga depensa mo kapag dalawang kamay yung ginagamit mo.
correct.
Pero pag isa, walang nagiging successful. Kaya medyo frustrating para kay Coach Roger to.
Si Lazarte, yung kinausap niya kaagad. Marasigan, 9-6 is the tally. Nicole, naka-ready na sa kanya yung blockers. Back to her though. Balahadia goes to
Wow.
KJ. Johnny Shaw.
Johnny Shaw wins the
Well.
joust in the net.
One of the go-to
Ah,
ng San Sebastian right now, itong si Janicio. Yung mga puntos na kailangan.
7-9.
Siya yung nagpo-provide
Ah.
para sa kanyang koponan.
7-9. Back set. Cross court naman ang diskarte ni Deala. Tepusoy will take it.
Uulitin kaya?
Sa kabila naman kinuha.
Grabe.
Nicole Deala going
Tiala.
around
Ito,
their side.
gaya ng sabi ko kanina, Martin, kung meron sila na bagay na nakikita sa JRU is that meron sila mga powerful attackers like Deala.
That's
And
right.
syempre, hindi pwedeng siya lang. Kasi gaya nung nangyari nung last part ng third set natin, nagkaroon ng problem. Kasi basang-basa nila, ine-expect na nila na sa kanya dadalhin yung bola. So yung timing ng mga blockers, sobrang ganda.
Mag-a-adjust at mag-a-adjust yung kalaban. Ooh, long ball.
Nina
For Ramos.
spots the hole at the back.
11-7. Nina Ramos with a conversion here.
Grabe yung twist ng mga mga sets natin dito, Martin.
Yun. Sa gitna kinuha yun, ha?
Kahit apat yung lamang, kahit 5. Sa end part, nagdidikit yung
didikit.
mga scores nila.
Walang sigurado.
Oo.
Yan. Abraham. Ramos. Same spot.
Eto.
Nina Ramos. Down
It's
the
another
line.
long ball for Ramos.
Timeout.
Coach Kat Santos calling for time.
Alam mo naman yung haba-haba lang naman eh. Sakripisyo na kayo! Isa-isa!
Because
Yep.
it's the same thing, eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
And mafe-feel mo yung, well, correct me if I'm wrong. Sa kupunan ng JRU, kapag nag-error, okay, let's move on.
Mhm.
Hanap tayo ng ways kung paano ma-improve para hindi na mangyari ulit. Well, si San Sebastian, alam natin napaka-importante para sa mga players at sa coaches. And yung frustration ay nag-uumapaw para sa kanilang team.
That's right. Then their slowest start to a set. Enter.
Oops. Another violation para sa San Sebastian.
They're falling apart a little bit here. Talking
So-
about San Sebastian. But this will be
There's a
challenge.
challenge on
Net
the call by
touch.
San Sebastian.
By the way,
The
for
challenge is
JRU,
net touch.
Deyala and Ramos have combined for 41 points.
Grabe.
21 for Ramos and 20 for Deyala. Habang sa San Sebastian si Gonzalez, 16.
16 points. Grabe.
Again, entering this match, Ramos, number 5 in the league in scoring at 157.17 points per match. Deyala, number 9, 121, 13.4. Or no, 14.4
Eto.
points per match.
So, merong,
0.2.
ang tawag ng referee ay merong touch. Ayan, siguro sa baba. Merong
Meron.
touch.
On review, there was a net touch. So the challenge by San Sebastian
Unsuccessful
was
for Baste.
unsuccessful.
And
The Stags have no
And sa
remaining
team na
challenge
meron
for the set.
kang dalawang set ahead,
Point and serve for
mas
JRU,
nakaka-pressure
13
yun.
serving 7.
Kasi
correct.
pwede mo na i-close yan sa fourth set eh.
Yeah. Now we are endangered of having another free-for-all. Set
Grabe.
number 5 as Ramos
Yes,
gets her 22nd point.
You know, si Deyala, grabe yung approach,
Substitution
grabe yung
for San
explosiveness.
Sebastian.
Well, ito namang si Ramos. Grabe yung variation. Yung shot selection niya, ang dami. Mapa-offset, mapamaganda yung set. Nagagawa niya ng paraan.
Yeah. Kanina may palong ball pa nga siya, eh. With placements. Ooh. Outside. So,
That's a point for the Lady Stags.
San Sebastian will get a breather. Guillermo is back
No.
in the fold for them for playmaking.
Yan ang napansin ko naman sa adjustments ng JRU dito is yung blockings nila. Most of the attacks from San Sebastian ay na-deflect nila. And ang maganda, nakaka-counter nila.
Nina Ramos.
Yung blocking yung hinahanap ni Coach Mia. In the set before this. Ramos, again, right in between the blockers.
Grabe yung vision niya sa court. Grabe yung vision niya dun sa mga kamay ng mga blockers.
15-8, largest lead
Juna
for
May
JRU all
Gonzalez
match long.
with that roll.
Pinawi ni Juna Gonzalez.
Yep. Siguro yun yung isa rin sa nakikita kong problem sa JRU. Yung mga ganun kasimpleng bola na nasa harap na eh, na konting hakbang lang, isang stretch mo lang ng arms mo, makukuha mo eh.
Boom.
Oops!
Abraham! Wow! Quick thinking by
That's
Klein.
in
There
for
was
Klein.
no setting violation. Ay, kung makikita natin, no? Ayun, no? Merong setting violation. Well, yeah, meron. Oo, meron. The setter nila. Oo. Double. Double violation. But yun.
Ito, kay Giliero.
Mhm.
But San Sebastian gets the point nonetheless.
Julia
Tirang
Dimatawaran.
above the nets itong si Julia Di Matawaran.
Totoo.
And JRU establishes the 6-point lead. Welcome back to the coverage. It is a 16-10 lead for JRU, and this is how they established it. You know, much in control here in the fourth set.
Totoo. Sobrang kontrolado nila itong fourth set natin. And again, ito yung first ever set na lamang sila sa start.
Yan.
Juna May
Binawi ni Juna Gonzalez. That is a great response after our technical timeout from San Sebastian. But the trend here in the fourth set has been JRU responding quickly. Karabot absorbing that serve. Si Giliero naman ang kumuha sa kabila. Marasigan. Ramos. Still alive. Lazarte gives up the ball. Patara.
Ring Batara lives for the point.
Ring Batara.
And
Despite the awkward landing.
Diba? Oo.
Boom.
Pagilid kasi siya eh. So yung landing niya awkward. Pero may kita mo sa mga mukha nila. Yung nag-e-enjoy sila sa ginagawa nila.
Tsaka yung diskarte doon ni Kring, inisip niya muna, dinireksyonan niya eh.
Totoo.
Diba? Finding an open spot. Ooh. Nicole Deyala. And JRU
Timeout. San Sebastian.
now ahead by 7.
Cross, wag mo doon papuntahin. Palo ka dito sa sa down the line. Tsaka yung
Kahit anong gawin ninyo, sa haba ng palo nyo, papunta dun sa depensa, hindi kayo makakapatay. Meron ba namang ibabaw na nandun sa dulo yung palo?
Okay. Combined instructions mula kay Kat Santos and Coach Roger Gurayev. You know, Coach Roger is more of a supplement that time.
Nina Ramos.
So tingnan natin kung mag-a-adjust sa atake itong Baste, John Vic.
Yup.
18-11 na ang inahabol nila dito. Abraham.
Inside.
Cross court. That's a good hit from Klein.
Yep.
She's been effective in this stretch. Tsaka ang bilis mag-isip ni Klein eh.
Oo.
Diba? Kada galaw, isang galaw, doon niya
12 serving.
Ang bilis ng
inaiiwan.
palo, no?
Yun, oo.
Ang bilis.
Bilis eh. Faulty first pass. But, may buenas.
And it happens all the time.
Hits the hole and the left.
Swammer.
Swammer. Suwabe.
Wow. Diba?
Wow.
Yung set ni Navarra doon, ginawa na lang niya ng paraan eh. Kasi ang bilis ng pasa sa kanya. 19-12. Giliero to Jonicio. 1-2 play. Unleashed
Wow.
by
Point for
Navarra.
the Lady Bombers.
And this is actually the JRU Lady Bombers that we're watching na nasa full control.
Yan.
Diba? They know what they're doing.
And this is, so far, our fastest set. John Vic. Ooh.
Another
That's too much
unforced
for
error
Marasigan.
from San Sebastian.
Tinatawag na kakarambola na yung unfortunate happenings for San Sebastian. Marasigan. Block fault, San Sebastian. They have a
Wow.
lot here in this
Flying
fourth set
Abraham.
as they connect right there. So Guerrero. Abraham with the off-speed, hindi inabot ni Alonia. Dungka with a dig. Lazarte. Marasigan. Dungka with coverage again. Tayala on the approach.
Wow.
That was Gonzalez absorbing the hit. Back to JRU side. Nataplisan lang ni Batara.
Junicio
Yeah.
wins the
There's
tip.
no doubt for JRU. Just nakapag-invest na sila ng maraming puntos.
Yeah.
And ang kailangan lang siguro nilang alalayan is yung momentum. Kasi knowing na isang set na lang ang kailangan ng San Sebastian, ay kailangan hindi na nila ibigay momentum dito or else.
That is true.
To the block.
22-14.
Batara.
Karing Batara
Pressuring the team for
is
JRU
alive
is number
here in
9.
set number 4.
Dimatawaran.
Diba? Both sets na mapapalanunan ng JRU. Yun
Yeah.
yung mga sets na maraming punto si Batara.
Totoo.
Yeah,
And even the middle blockers
Yan.
of JRU
that's right.
is
Ooh,
working.
let's check.
Oscar
Fortina
Kidman.
Marasigan.
Fortina Marasigan.
She needs to get back in her groove. Talking about Tina Marasigan. Especially now that we're setting up for a 5th set.
Oo.
Navarra. Timatawaran was denied. Here's Ramos from behind. Guerrero. Uy, kinaliwa ni Deposoy. Timatawaran. Both teams scrambling. Deposoy. Karabot with the anticipation. Ramos. A chance for Baste.
Wow.
KJ puts it down.
KJ Junicio hits the target
Ito
of the
na.
man.
Medyo nakaramdam na si Coach Omia.
Timeout.
Na,
JRU.
kaba. Napatawag siya na timeout.
Natin yung bola. Hindi nila ibibigay sa atin yung set. Okay? So hindi tayo pwede mag-relax. Ang bagal na natin.
Move!
Snappy tayo. Tara, one good reception. Paano tayo maayos? Tara.
Snappy. Snappy movements ang kailangan ni Coach Mia para sa JRU. Knowing that they really need this set to extend the match.
Woo. Okay. By the way, I correct myself
Tina
from
Marasigan to serve
earlier.
for San Sebastian.
Nakakaapat na sunod-sunod na pala tayo na 5-setter matches.
4 na sunod-sunod na
Yeah.
5-setter.
Dating back from Feb 21 kung saan tinalo ng
Nicole
JRU ang
Tiara.
LPU. So
Yeah.
since then, it's been JRU LPU, Benil Gatran, Perpetual San Beda, Mapua Arellano yesterday. And it could continue here because JRU is only 2 points away from doing that. Teposoy will try.
Oops!
And Teposoy will score.
DJ Tiposoy.
17-23, bumabalik pa ang
Yep.
San Sebastian.
Martin, alam mo yung 6-point lead na yan, hindi malabong maabutan nitong San Sebastian. Going na isang set na lang kailangan nila. And para naman sa kupunan nitong JRU, hindi sila pwedeng mag-relax. Kasi nakikita natin,
Scores on the breakthrough
may
point.
tendency sila mag-relax at may tendency pa rin mag-change yung momentum nila.
That's right. At itong si
Now set
Navarra
point
sumusugal.
for JRU.
1-2 play.
Serving for the set is Kaya
Set point
Navarra.
situation. They have 7 points to work with. And looks like it's a chance ball. This is to force set 5. Denied. Ramos will try again. Lazarte was there. Marasigan from behind. Nina Ramos back on the approach. Guerrero. Abraham. Back to the open. Ramos. Both teams playing hard in this rally. Ramos again. And Ramos will score.
Ball
And
went
we head
down.
to our 5th straight 5-setter match here in the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Competition. Ramos sending us to set number 5. JRU equalizes. At mga kapuso, we have more free volleyball coming right up, right here on Heart of Asia.